I've been exploring the BBAE Pro app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the BBAE Pro app. BBAE Pro is essentially designed to make investing accessible and effective for everyone, from hands-on traders to those who prefer automated wealth management. The platform stands out with commission-free trading across stocks, ETFs, and options, so you can maximize your returns without worrying about hidden fees. The app's My Market feature gives you advanced tools for stock, options, and ETF trading, including customizable charting, deep dives into company financials, and real-time market data. If you're interested in options, BBAE Pro supports a range of strategies, from basic to advanced, helping you manage risk and pursue profits in any market condition. For those who want to invest smarter, BBAE Pro offers automated portfolios and active management through its My Advisor service. These portfolios are regularly rebalanced and tailored to your risk tolerance, with input from industry leaders like BlackRock and MarketGrader. You can also create custom baskets of stocks to personalize your investments even further. BBAE Pro's social trading features let you learn from experienced investors and even copy their trades, making it easy to diversify and benefit from proven strategies. The Discover section highlights curated investment themes and lets you explore the actual portfolios of legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Michael Burry. AI-powered tools like Filing Genius provide instant answers and insights from SEC filings, while Insider Edge gives you a look at corporate insider trading activity, both designed to help you make more informed decisions. The app also includes an earnings calendar, analyst ratings, and IPO access, rounding out a comprehensive toolkit for both new and experienced investors. While BBAE Pro's technology and features are robust, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep, especially if they're new to investing. However, with its blend of automation, expert guidance, and commission-free trading, BBAE Pro is a strong choice for anyone ready to take their investing to the next level. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.